just documenting. I live like right over there, but I cross over the fence, come down, we got cows, etc. Either way, I'm scouting out a new place to shoot targets, or the target today is blackbirds. And oh yes, anyway, let's get through all this. I found a sweet spot right up here. The locations that I have been considering, like, I guess where that light pole is a trailer over there, across over this embankment. But with the idea is for me to take cover, but these blackbirds are not stupid. And as long as the cows show out, I think everything will be fine. They're just curious. We got cows down here. There's one, another one, another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 up there. How many? There's 5. I don't know what the rest of them are. Either way, instead of shooting where I normally shoot each day, too many houses, so I have to miss a lot of shots that normally I could take, but it ain't worth it. So I just kind of gotta let it go. So here's my new little shot. I've got, see if we can get over here. Right over here. Alright, we got these 3 trees here, amongst other things. Let's set my gun down. That's just a Plinkster. Mossberg. Plinkster with just a basic Tesco scope. It's just a basic rig, 3 to 9. Alright, this is my idea. I've got the angle of this shooting at those trees right there. Those are cedar trees, and they even got some right here. And then of course I've got all of these, and then I can nick off the top of that one right there. That's the idea anyway. But the range here, my positioning, I'm able to shoot higher, which means when the bullet reaches its full velocity and it starts dropping off, the idea here is higher is better for me, upward. I don't want to shoot straight, not with a rifle. I mean, that's just, you don't do that. So, you know, just by looking around at everything that has been going on and looking at the angles that I've had to shoot it, you know, I just have to wait till I get up into a big tree, or a higher tree. But anyway, here's my new little stakeout right in here, and of course I've got tons back through there, and then plus in the woods as well. But this is just another location that I'm looking at. There goes one. It's pretty hot right now, so I don't really expect too many. And it's probably, I don't know, 6 o'clock in the evening. summertime. Well, January, February, March, April, May. This is May the 20-something. And see the cars going by? Well, that ain't really cool. But I'm listening for the blackbirds because they got a unique sound. I've been tracking them since I was a kid. Oh no, I hope it ain't. Anyway, another story. So I got these, either way, I got these trees here that I can pick off of whenever they cross over this line over here. But if I'm up there at my fleshly dad's house and then trying to pick off, I don't like it. So it's better to go ahead and try to be hidden down in here. Or actually, I can get way back over in here, but whatever. Anyway, new location. See what happens. Alright. Happy hunting.